Okay, we'll start from Ankita.
Raj was a student of class 10. One day, while he was returning from school with a couple of friends, he noticed that some of his classmates were bullying and troubling a junior. He immediately approached them, inquired the situation, picked up the boy, and told them to calm down. He solved the issue and suggested them to solve the issue with a cool head. He explained that violence was not a solution and things can be sorted out with proper communication. He also made them apologize to each other, gave the junior first aid, and guided him to solve the issue from further. Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. Neeraj.
So I wrote it as Ajay was the CI of the area who was on a morning walk in the park. There he noticed that some teenagers were fighting among themselves. He noticed that one boy looked like a Muslim who was being beaten around and beaten up very badly. He immediately went there, stopped them, and gave the boy first aid. He took all of these kids to the police station to teach them a lesson. He got to know that the issue was about religious belief, and the Hindu kids started reacting violently. He called their parents and gave them counseling. He told that all religions are one and humanity is the best religion. He requested the parents to check on them if they are exposed to hate speeches and illegal activities. He requested that the teens to follow humanity. Soon after counseling, the students changed. Thank you.
Okay. ठीक है. 13. It is not 13. 13. Is she there? Can you please check if she is there in the meet or not?
Yeah, her name is showing.
She's there, but she's not.
Maybe she has not connected her audio or something. Okay, let her fix the audio. What was the sixth picture? Number 6.
I think Sangeeta is left. I think she will.
Excuse me, ma'am. My
Okay.
audio was not connected.
Okay. You. What was the story for this picture? What is the story?
Ma'am, Tina, age of 22, studying in a school of RPS and also a prefect of her school. One day she sees 3 of the students were beating a boy brutally, so she goes there and stop them and inquired the problem. As they tell him that they were only playing and not harming anybody, she strictly told them and find out that they are the bullies and tease everybody. So she helped them. She help the student firstly and take them to the counseling room and convince them not to do as it affect their mentality. By this she helped the student and improved them.
Okay. So instead of bringing one character from the outside, you could have taken one character from among these boys also. Okay. It is not compulsory that if you are a girl, you have to take the girl character only. But mostly girls will get only girl kind of pictures in the SSB. But here we are doing both the pictures for practice only. Okay. So it's okay. The theme is good. But choose character from among these boys. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then moving to the sixth picture. What is the sixth? Which picture?
There was an
That
empty
was
room
a
with
table.
empty, yeah,
Oh,
table.
only table. Okay. This one. Yeah. Yeah, Ankita, you can start. Anyone left? Sangeeta, do you want to give story for this picture? This one?
No,
You didn't
Sangeeta?
I
prepare?
haven't
Okay.
prepared. I prepared.
Oh, then you can give
So
your
should
story.
I?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. So Devansh was a student of 12th class in government school in Jodhpur. One day while coming back from school, he saw some boys who were beating another boy badly. He rushed to the spot and saw that they were students of his school only. He stopped and convinced them not to beat him and ask them the reason why they are beating him and told them to leave him, otherwise he will inform his principal. They leave the boy. He helped the boy and take him to the nearest hospital and give him first aid. Next day,
He also helped him to complain about those boys to school principal and also inform their families about the same.
Okay. He informed, but you haven't mentioned that what he did to stop it. Like the other two stories they have mentioned, right? They added a little bit action. Like how many lines you wrote for this picture? Like how many lines?
11.
11. Okay. So you wrote during the psych test this picture.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, if you are able to complete the story within the time frame, then it's totally good. Okay. And
Yeah, I left the
okay.
yeah, there was 30-second left.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay. Then let's discuss this picture. Ankita, you can start.
Ankita was an engineer in Dehradun. She lived with her family there. One weekend, a small group of her school friends made a plan to visit the place. Ankita took the initiative to host them and show them around. She arranged a good hotel for them, took them to nearby places, explained them the significance of each place, made them sorry, what is this? Made them taste the authentic cuisines. On the last day, she invited them for evening supper and tea, showed them around the house and the beautiful sunset from her terrace. They all recalled childhood memories and before leaving, thanked Ankita for the good time and for being such a good host. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Neeraj.
I wrote it as Ajay was a principal of a school. He was a newly joined principal. He regularly inspected the school and the students' performance. He noticed that the children are lacking practical knowledge and are very lazy due to the absence of a school ground. He also noticed, okay, he then called a meeting of the senior teachers. He told his assistant to prepare the room for the discussion. There, he proposed for a new laboratory equipment and a new ground to be built in the available area. The teachers agreed. After the arrangements, he regularly inspected their performance, conducted regular tests. He saw an improvement in the students. He also felt satisfied when the kids would play in the ground. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now 13.
Ankita, age of 22, work in a school and also a counselor of student, organize a meeting for teacher to help the student by educating them for e-learning program as they have seen the COVID time. So she decided to help the student and by providing the content online to study and how can they make interesting parts to study from home. By these ideas, everybody accept them and they organize a app for the student to make study more easier for them.
Yeah, it's okay, but here in the picture, it's seen that like some cup, they have arranged some tea. Like there is going to have some discussion on the table. So
Yeah.
make a story around that because you made a like story around the pandemic they're doing online classes. It's okay, but this is not depicting this picture. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sangeeta.
Yeah. So Ram is a junior engineer in CPWD department in Jodhpur. Few days back, their company got a government college project, and he was appointed as project head of that project. He took all the responsibilities, and to celebrate, he invited some of his friends for the tea party at his home. He celebrated well, and then next day he started working on the project. Did all the necessary preparation for the project, visited the site, finalized the plan and overall cost of the project, and started the project and completed it within the given time. And after that, he was appreciated by everyone for his unique design and structure of the college.
Okay, okay. So, like Ankita, your story, you made a story, and it was like your friends visited your place. But if you compare your story with Neeraj and Sankita, you will find that like you will find it a little bit better because they have called upon their house or something. They are having some discussion. They are having some meeting. They are working on some projects. Don't you think, Ankita? Because you called your friends. Yeah, so they enjoyed this will it will okay. I'm not saying this is wrong, but like the level will go a little bit down, right?
Yeah,
So
I completely
yeah,
agree with this point.
yeah. So it's okay. Now, what was the seven picture, right?
Oh yeah, a man
That
with a
a
lamp.
farmer was having a lamp, lamp in his hand.
Okay. Okay. Ankita is starting from you.
Raj was a PhD student in IIT Kanpur. One day, when he was back in his village during a weekend, an accident occurred at a short distance from his house. He came to know that a small puppy had fallen into a pit and people were unable to help as it was dark all around. He got to know that such accidents were very frequent there. He wrote to the district collector through the village headman about the problem, asking them to install street lights in the village around that area. He also went to the district headquarters to personally address the issue to the collector's office and ensured that the implementation was done well. Street lights were installed and Raj was appreciated for his efforts. Thank you.
Okay. Neeraj.
I wrote it as Ajay was a newly appointed district collector. When on regular inspection work, he visited a Palampur village in the area. There, on inquiry, he got to know that there was no proper electricity arrangement in the village, due to which there were many dacoit activities on the main road. The main road had no lights, due to which it was very difficult for women also to travel. He immediately responded to the issue. He had a meeting with the officials and sanctioned for the street lights, and to counter the dacoits in the area. He checked on the work regularly. He also informed the police to form a special task force to catch the dacoits. Soon the village was filled with lights and women were also safe to travel. Thank you.
Okay. 13.
Lakshman, age of 24, who is a sarpanch of his village, also a part of development program, got to know about the problem in the village. As in dark, they have a jungle in which they don't have lights, and every person have to go with laltain. So he joins the hand with the PM Ujala Yojana, where they get electricity for their village and they can help their people by everybody to take part in them. So he teach everybody to take part in that by putting street lights and uh, street light and electricity. It helps them.
Okay. Sankita.
So Ramakant was a farmer living in Jagat village. As their village was very near to the forest, so they have to keep eyes on their fields to protect them from the animals. So all the villagers distributed their duties one by one. As today was Ramakant's duty, he heard some unusual sound from the bushes and used his lamp to see. He saw a little rabbit was stuck in there and he was injured. He took the rabbit to his home, and another day he took him to the hospital for the treatment. He gave him treatment and also take care of him with his children till he was able to walk. And after that, they leave him to the forest safely and happily.
Okay, okay. So in the picture, no, it seems that he is a person from village, right? So seems
Yeah.
that a person is going to the village for some inspection, or maybe he heard some maybe he heard some noise, so he went to check. So the Ankita Mohanty and Neeraj, your story was okay, but the character and designation that you gave was not quite relevant, because it seems that the person is quite old, right? Old, and also the kind of attire that he's wearing, he's going at night. Sangeeta said he's a person and he went to the village. That
Actually,
is,
my character was like out of the picture. He's just a normal
oh,
villager who is
okay,
suffering.
Same for me. Yeah, same for me.
okay,
Just
yeah. So
Like if it was in the PPDT, I would have mentioned like two characters.
okay, okay. So it's okay. But see, in the last picture, when there was no character, you can take n number of characters for your story. But if in the picture it's clearly seen that this is a person from the village, you have to try to make him the hero. Okay. Because it will show that you are lacking idea. That's why I brought one external character. So try to make him the character and try to make his story. Give him the lead role. Okay.
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 Okay. Then the eighth picture, number 8.
That's
So
a police.
two police.
Matlab, I assumed it police.
Shady picture.
Yeah, the shady one.
Oh, okay.
The raincoat type.
This one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this one.
this one.
Okay, Ankita, what is your story?
Atul was a police officer in Mumbai. One day, he got a case in a slum area. When he visited there, it was already raining, and he, along with his colleagues, had to enter into a swamp like area to investigate the issue. After he came back, he realized that the slum in that area was too vulnerable to deadly diseases due to the unhygiene of the swamp and nearby areas. He wrote to the urban development department of the city about the same, requesting them to improve the infrastructure there, thereby building proper drainage system, cleaning the place regularly, allowing for sanitation drives in that area, providing the people with better housing options, and restructuring that place. After a few weeks, the plan was executed, and Atul felt happy to help those people.
Okay, great. Neeraj.
So Ajay was a student in the last year of his engineering when he visited the industrial area for a project work. He noticed that amount of pollution in the factories was too much and it was affecting the breathing. The poisonous chemicals were causing air pollution too. He wanted to solve this issue. He took up a project in the fourth year about waste heat recovery, which would reduce the amount of air pollution. He studied journals and papers, took guidance from his teachers. He formed a team of two, organized the project into parts, and worked on the issue of industrial waste management. They developed a prototype using softwares for the concept of waste heat recovery, which can be used efficiently. They proposed this to the industry and made a bigger version with their support. Soon the product was a hit and it reduced the emissions. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Make sure to complete it within the time. Okay. Like I felt it was a bit long, is it?
Yeah,
So yeah, you have to try to write not more than 100 or 110 words. Okay. So if you like in the practice now, while you are practicing, make sure to maintain that word limit, because in the real SSB you will feel that you will not be able to complete writing the story if you are practicing in this way to write lengthy stories. So it's better to practice to keep the word limit in mind. Okay.
okay. I just thought the actions won't be enough, so repeat it.
It's okay. Like if your story is not completed, you will feel, oh, I left the other picture. Then wo picture aega, you will have one guilt, and that guilt will also
Uh,
affect the other pictures also. So
yeah.
that's why. Okay, 13.
Rama, age of 21, also a university representative and working for the Jal Suraksha Paryavaran. She had her team and organized a clean river uh, area and acknowledge the people to save river, as she tell them by doing a natak in front of them to take part and to encourage them to take part in jal seva. She also give them a pamphlets and give analyze structure. By that they will divide the task in four group. One group will be take the kachra, and out of which another group will take trolley part, another two gather the people to take part in cleaning program. By seeing this approach, everybody start helping, and oftenly she organizes the water program.
Okay, so the thing is, you are doing a great thing because you are mentioning the kind of schemes. So it is a very good habit of writing the schemes in the practice stories. It will definitely help you. So I also request others also to like mention the way Chess 13 has been mentioning the schemes. So it will reflect that you are also keeping care of the current affairs. You are well aware of the schemes. Okay. So yeah, it's good. It's a good story. That's a Sangeeta.
Yeah. So Venkat was an officer in Fisherman Foundation in Goa and also a scientist in their lab. One day they got the news that the fishermen found some died fish near the bank, which was unusual. So they made a team and reached to the spot there with one of his co-scientists, took the sample of water as well as of fishes, did all the required tests, and found out that they ate some plastic material which did reaction in their body and they died. So they started a awareness program with the help of police and the foundation, aware people about the issue, and put a dustbin nearby the shore of sea, and also assure the police to take necessary actions if any person is found to do so.
Okay, great. So, like, don't memorize the stories. You are like keep on another copy for all kinds of stories. You can just keep revising the themes. It's always a good practice to just give a eye before sleeping or before starting your day. You can just look at the theme that you have been writing. Okay, so it's very good practice, but don't memorize the themes. Okay, don't memorize the stories. Like rattaification is
Yeah.
not good. Okay, and Sangeeta,
Okay.
like you mentioned some Hindi words, like kachra, then natak. So
No, no,
replace that.
no.
ठीक है?
I was not that.
Oh,
No,
sorry,
I
not
was not
Sangeeta.
that.
Sorry, 13,
That
sorry.
was in mine, sorry.
Yeah,
Okay,
13.
okay,
So
I'll
replace
replace
that,
it.
like garbage. Then natak is what play. So like it's okay, but try to do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So the ninth picture.
It was a boat kind of thing.
Okay,
Boat.
this one.
Yes.
Okay, Ankita, you can start.
Saurav was a boatman in the ghats of Varanasi. One day, while he was returning after dropping a family on the other side of the ghats, heavy rain started along with speedy winds, thunder, and lightning. Saurav was in the middle of the river trying to balance himself and the boat carefully. He immediately wore the life jacket, paddled against water, gave signals with light to the people on the riverside for help, kept his calm, and made his way through the river to the bank steadily. He finally reached the bank and was safe.
Okay, ठीक है. Neeraj.
George Kuti was a local fisherman born in Kollam district of Kerala. He was a good athlete and took part in the water sport activities regularly. Recently, during the irregular outburst of monsoon in the Kollam district, all the fishermen were badly hit. All the houses were lost and people were stranded. Since he was good at water sports, he took his boat and helped many people by getting them to a safer location. He volunteered with the NDRF and also provided supplies to the people who were struck. No matter how the weather, he managed to help them. His water sports skills helped him here. He managed to rescue the lost ones in the water. He carried lots of supplies in the boat and delivered to the helpless at proper time. Thank you.
Okay, good. 13.
Ma'am, actually, I don't have the idea of that, so I
Okay, ठीक
didn't
है. Now
write
you
it.
got the idea, right? How they wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
yes, ma'am.
Sangeeta.
Yeah. So Vimal was a student of BSc final year of Maharaja College. He was very fond of visiting new places, so he decided to go the nearby river this time. He did all the preparation, took the food and other things, and leave for the place and reached there. He took a boat from there to explore, and as he was aware about it and knows boating, he started the boat. But on midway, high rain started and water flow started fluctuating. He calmed himself and stopped the boat and started slowly paddling the boat and reached to the shore and waited till the rain stopped. Then he reached back to the starting position and did all the other activities, and as well as he enjoyed so much with other people.
ठीक है. Okay, good. The next 10th picture. What was it?
It was a hospital scenario where a girl was
Dead
there
body.
and dead body was
Okay,
there.
this one.
Okay, yeah. Ankita, you can start.
Actually, I had the same alcohol idea that I used in the second picture, so I wrote a similar story only.
Oh,
But
so don't do
yesterday,
that, okay? Don't do that. Like, don't repeat the stories. Don't repeat the themes.
yes, I
Because
will create a story
you
around.
will definitely, yeah, in the SSB, no, you might find two kinds of agricultural picture. So if that is why don't write same themes. It is always better to at least practice two different themes for one story, because it will show that you have no idea, you are lacking ideas if you get the similar kind of a picture. Okay,
Okay, okay.
yeah. So Neeraj, what did you write?
So I noticed Ajay was a student of engineering. He was a secretary of social awareness club in the college. Once he visited the local hospital for his mother's regular checkup. There he noticed a young man above age 25 to 30 was dead due to drug abuse. His whole family was there and weeping loudly. He wanted to make people aware of the situation and help the society. He organized for a social experiment and cycle rally in the society. He He divided work in teams like poster making, social media uploads, rehabilitation center work, etc. They tied up with the rehab center and also took their support in the rally. They made people aware of the bad effects of this and how youth is badly getting affected due to this. He uploaded this on social media and spread the message globally. Thank you.
Okay, ठीक है. 13.
Sangeeta, age of 21, working as a doctor in a hospital, also a member of Health Subki from depression, got to see a case of death where she got to learn about the saving life from depression. So she organized a camp for depressing people. She organized with by texting in FB internet and use of Twitter, so more and more people can join. And she gave knowledge them about telling everybody will be safe. They need to start doing yoga and meditation and morning walk. As everybody enjoy it, she hence she start a weekend sessions of for it.
Okay. The first thing is the lady that is carrying the dead body seems to be a nurse. Okay. And the person standing beside her is a doctor. So it's okay if you are not finding the main character to be the, like, you brought one character from outside. Like I said,
Yes.
don't do that. Make the person the main character, and you have limited your actions. She texted simply in the Facebook that we need some sessions, and they conducted it. So, like, add more actions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sangeeta, yours.
Yeah. So Nivak was a senior resident in MDH Hospital, Jodhpur. One day he was on his regular duties and got to know about an emergency case of a blood cancer. The patient was crying as he got to know about his severe disease this day only. He went to his room and tried to console him and tell him not to worry, and also also help him to control his emotions and help his family as well. And also he told him to have faith and a good positive mind throughout his all the journey. As he was admitted to the hospital for many months, they tried their best, but after a month the patient was died. All the staff was very sad as he was been a member of the hospital from last few months. And after that, Vivek consoled his family as well as he started an initiative to for the shake of handle of cancer disease patients.
Okay. ठीक है. Just limit your. You have given more details. So detailings you have added, not required this much of detailings. कि ये हुआ वो हुआ. Just switch on to more on the action part. Also in the picture we can also write one story that a person was diagnosed with some disease or virus, and maybe the person is a scientist and he researched on that virus and he came to know about that this is a like new, like in the recent there was an article also that one uh, uh, not COVID, okay, not COVID, but there are also different kinds of diseases that have been found recently. So if you make a story that will be having a bigger impact, like the story will look more better instead of mentioning that the person died and everything. It's okay. You can also mention that the person, the doctor diagnosed him, he researched on that virus and came to know, then in that way also. Okay. So I think this was the 10th picture, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What was the 11th one? This
A
one?
bridge kind of.
Yeah, okay. Ankita, I can start.
Ajay was an engineer in Mumbai. He was always interested in adventurous activities. One weekend, he made a trekking plan with his office colleagues. They had located a small hilly area some kilometers away from the city. On their way, they came across a river which had to be crossed over by a bridge. The bridge was old and it was wooden. While they were walking on the bridge, one of the steps broke and one of his colleagues' foot slipped. They immediately pulled him back and came down the bridge. They got him first aid. Soon after they got back from the trek, he wrote to the state government to about the issue and requested to build up uh, Pakka bridge up over the river as it was the necessary action. He was unattended at first, but kept trying to bring this to the notice of the government and soon got a positive response. The government announced to go forward with building a bridge soon over
Okay,
the river.
okay. So like I think this is like you like more than 11 or 10, 12 lines, like, right?
Kind of, yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
make sure you come. If you are completing within the time frame, it's all in good. No problem with that. But make sure to complete within the time also. Like I said, I think yesterday also, in a A4 size paper, you have to write 2 stories.
Yes.
So you have to keep your handwriting a little bit small to add more lines into it. Otherwise, you cannot switch to the next paragraph, or you cannot like turn the next page to write to complete your story. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, the story is good. Neeraj?
Raj was a part of the forest police in Kerala. He was informed by the villagers that a wild animal was frequently attacking the tribals and it also killed several men and kids. Raj immediately informed the authorities and got permission to kill the animal. He went along with his team. He made sure he carried all the equipment. They also took a local tribe to show the exact location. They made several traps to fool the animal. They also carried guns, so when they encountered with the animal, they executed their plan and trapped the animal. When the animal tried to tear the net, they shot it. It was dead, and the problem of the tribals was cleared. That's it.
Okay, ठीक है. 13.
Amit, age of 24, as a newly lieutenant in army and also NCC cadet, got to an adventure with his friends as they were not able to pass the river as the bridge was very unstable. So Amit gave an idea that they have ropes and planks, so they can build the bridge by it. As he gave the task to his friends, two of them to fold the ropes and other one to put the planks on it. By knotting the both of them, they easily got to pass the river, and that how they build a bridge and help others.
Okay. Sangeeta?
Yeah. So Aman was a student of BE third year of civil engineering of MBM College. He came to his village in his college vacation and saw that there was no direct route to cross the river, as their village was across the river, and it was stressful for all the villagers to reach another village. He told the village sarpanch and meet the DM of the district and tell them about the issue. The DM approved the idea of constructing a wood bridge across the river and gave the project to the PWD department. They started the work and they completed it within the time limit, and the DM inaugurated the bridge. Everyone thanked Aman for his efforts and his deeds. He called his friends for the village visited and also enjoyed with them a lot.
So the main thing is here you are bringing 2 characters. Firstly, you said he noticed the problem and then he informed the DM and the DM did the thing. So you shifted the role of the hero from that particular boy to the DM. I think this kind of picture was also in the yesterday's TAT. I told I think Kanchan that you can yourself take the initiative to make a temporary bridge. At the same time, you can inform the DM to construct a permanent and a good infrastructure over the bridge. So that will be having more impact because you are engaging the locals and asked each other to construct a temporary bridge and the same time I inform DM. Okay,
Okay.
so let's
Okay.
discuss this one blank story, just the theme. Okay, Ankita, what is the theme of the blank story?
My theme is that there is a girl who has recently lost her pet dog, and like she is very much interested. Like she's an animal lover, and while feeding the street dogs one day in her colony, she realized that a small kitten was lying around, scared and injured. So she rescued her and brought her to home, like took care of her. But after some days, she came across an organization on social media that was encouraging adoption of stray animals. So there, if you put an advertisement, then someone who is interested to adopt an animal, matlab a stray animal, they can take them. So it was, and they also cross checked that whether the person who is matlab opting to adopt the animals, they are like they will be able to take care of them or not. So this was the idea, and she did the same. She like put an advertisement for her for for this baby cat that she had got, and then she also spread the message among her friends and relatives about the same, and encouraged adoption of animals rather than buying, like breeding and buying.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, it's okay. Like the blank picture should be like you can relate to your life, and you can write any of the story that you think that you are proud of that particular action or particular story. I can relate to your life. I can write any story. I think I heard Neeraj's story back then. So, Sangeeta, you got the idea, right? About the blank picture.
Yeah.
Like we have to relate to our life and we have to write. Okay.
Yeah, I read the same.
What was your theme? Like quickly in 10 seconds, say.
Yeah, so my theme was like a girl who belonged to a village. So she was married to a student and studying in a college in city. So as to earn some money with her college, she started teaching the students
Okay.
of
Okay, I got it.
and then
Yeah, it's okay. It's totally fine. So it's okay. Like this meeting might end. Okay. And we will meet tomorrow.